Hey guys, it's JVT Guns back at you with another video. And this is not really going to be a gun video for today. First, let me just take my mask off. My face gets itchy in the mask. Today's video is just another thank you, another milestone. This is 200 subs. I just want to say thank you for getting me at 200 subs. Not too long ago we reached 100, but now we just hit 200. And I can't thank you enough for helping me get here. You know, without y'all, this channel would have been just another channel, probably a dead one for all I could say. First of all, I just want to say I am sorry for not uploading a whole bunch, because as I've already explained, my school, my education is just taking me out right now. My days are long and they're drawn out. The only real free time I have at the moment are on the weekends. But I will be doing some videos. I'm gonna try and get some out before this weekend ends. Okay, let me stop there. I'm gonna try and record some before this weekend ends. I'm gonna try and actually get them out this week, probably next week or so. You'll like the video, hopefully. And I'm supposed to have another tutorial video I'm trying to work on. There is actually like 2 videos. There is something for the rail, and well, actually 2 videos for the continue off on the rail videos. But that's really about it on those upcoming videos. Also, I'm going to try and get some new props out as well. And there's my phone. But thank you guys for getting me to 200 subs. Thank you so much. I owe you one. And I really do hope that this video I have coming out in commemoration for 200 subs, you will actually like. You will love it or something. But that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all once again for your love and support for this channel. Comment down in the comment section below anything you got in mind. And also keep subscribing to the channel if you enjoy the content that I'll be putting up on here. Thank you guys so much. And until next time, this is JVT. See ya.